Hi friends, today I am discussing the topic about public international law. So what is the topic is definition and concept of public international law. Public international law. Also it's called as law of nations. Law of nations and body of rules and norms governing rules between sovereign states and international organizations. So public international law అంటే సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్ నార్మ్స్ అండ్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ governing relations between sovereign states, international organizations, and to a limited extent to individuals also. So it regulates like human rights, trade, maritime boundaries, and armed conflicts, and aiming to maintain peace and stability. So it regulates areas like human rights, trade, war, and environment, mainly primary sources, primarily sourced from treaties, customs, and general legal principles, and including it also called as international law, law of nation, legal order of the international community. So the systems of treaties and the concept of public international law is system of treaties and agreements between the nations that governs how nations interacts with other nations, citizens of the other nations, and business of other nations. So these are legally binding on the states and international organizations in their interactions with other states, international organizations, individuals, and other entities. So key definitions, what are the key definitions and meaning? Mainly what is the meaning of public international law? What is the definition of public international law? It is the body of rules. You have to write in exam like this. It is a body of rules primarily designed to govern the conduct states through it now extend to international organizations and specific cases on individuals also. So it relies on consent, treaties, and established customs maintained in order to international relations. And what is the scope of public international law? It includes diplomacy, maritime laws, and environmental regulations, and international criminal law and trade regulations. So what are the examples? Like Geneva Convention, many other Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and UN clause, the United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea. These are the different examples of international conventions. So by international conventions and other treaties, the public international law falls under. What are the similar names of public international law? First one is law of nations. Law of nations and international law and public international law. So this is the definition and concept of public international law. Thank you.